to get certified. Here's how your organization can get BRCGS certified with these 4 phases. Phase 1. Establish and implement. In order to understand which BRCGS standards are right for your organizational needs, engage a consultant. Seek expert assistance to help determine all the applicable BRCGS standards that meet your food safety requirements. Consultants can provide valuable insights and streamline your efforts. Purchase and subscribe to BRCGS standards to understand the latest version of the standard. Ensure you've obtained a copy of the relevant standard and stay updated on any revisions that may affect your compliance. Upskill your team. Enroll your employees in training courses to build internal expertise on the requirements and implementation of the standard. Equipping your team with the right skills is essential for long-term compliance. Courses include BRCGS Food Safety 3-Day Auditor Course Issue 9, BRCGS Food Safety 2-Day Site Course Issue 9, and BRCGS Food Safety 5-Day Lead Auditor Issue 9. Conduct a self-assessment audit. Evaluate your organization against one or more BRCGS standards requirements through a self-assessment. This is essential preparation for identifying gaps and allows you to address non-conformances before the formal audit. Phase 2. Audits. Partner with an accredited certification body such as Intertek SI Global to schedule an external audit. During this process, auditors will assess compliance through chosen BRCGS standards, identifying any non-conformances to be addressed before certification is granted. Phase 3. Achieve certification. Pass the audit to achieve BRCGS certification, giving your business the credibility and recognition of adhering to global standards. Phase 4. Maintain and recertify. Your commitment doesn't stop at certification. Maintain compliance by conducting regular internal reviews, adapting processes to business changes, scheduling surveillance audits, and recertifying each year. You would also need to complete at least one unannounced audit every 3 years to ensure continued compliance with the latest standards. Think of BRCGS certification as a long-term investment. It's about maintaining robust food safety practices, developing trust, and safeguarding your brand's reputation year after year. Level up your training by appointing and training an employee as an internal auditor to ensure you have a dedicated team member to oversee continual improvement and compliance. This individual serves as your go-to for internal audits and compliance reviews. The chosen employee can achieve certification in courses such as Internal Food Safety Auditor, ISO 22000 and ISO 19011. BRCGS certification is the ultimate global mark of excellence in food safety. To summarize, engage a consultant, purchase the standard, upskill your team with accredited training, conduct a self-assessment, book in your audit, and ensure you maintain your level of excellence through periodic assessment and level up your training to ensure you also pass your recertification. Take the first step to get GFSI benchmarked and access to global markets with BRCGS certification.